It's given me a more confidence to close the deal with the customers.
So what I've been implement is the key point how to get the lead generation and closing techniques.
The one takeaway that I learned is I can actually efficiently shortlist units for my clients who are urging me to find a property as soon as possible.
So on behalf of everyone here, I'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to you. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me to give Lester a big round of applause.
This is a very powerful session. I can say that this is a tailor-made, catered to all agents, meaning to say from rookies to experienced agent. Me as an experienced agent, I find that this session is very powerful, impactful, that helped me in my daily business.
BlackBelt series and also the asset progression calculation, it helps me and helps to show to the client very clearly, systematically, and also with the dates of the payment.
What was very important that I learned was from Lester's personal sharing of his stories of how he did his personal closings, how to build the interpersonal relationships and how to engage the customers. I think that really helped me a lot.
The advanced document generator, which is not exactly a particular class per se, but one function within InstantPro, which I think very good productivity tool for agents because I can virtually generate documents on the go, no matter where I am. Yeah, even when I'm overseas, so I think it's a function I really appreciate a lot.
The very recent one that I applied and managed to close the record-breaking PSF for my seller and exceeded their expectation is using Lester's negotiation tips, using the InstantPro, showing the trends of the transaction and all that.
I can advise my client better, and I can see that most of the clients have a confidence in engaging me because they have very clear what is going on by using the different function from the InstantPro that I learned from the BlackBelt.
So being a rookie agent, the punchline I will give is that InstantPro has made me from a zero to a hero in dealing with real estate.
It's very handy and very informative for each and every one of us for this field.